All right, so for this one, what you guys are going to be doing is you will be taking a look at how to solve these trig problems by using your identities that we looked at in the prior units. So your goal is to look at those identities and see how you can make your equation simpler in order to solve. So we will get into doing this problem. We are looking at the interval between 0 and 2 pi, which means only one rotation around. So I've got 2 tangent squared x minus secant squared x plus 3 equals 1 minus tan x. Now, I have a tangent and a tangent, so I need to go ahead and change that secant squared into something with tangent. So go ahead, look at your identity sheet, see what you can change it to. Hopefully, when you look at that, you can see that secant squared x can be changed into something with tangent squared. So if you didn't see that, see how you can morph it so that you get secant squared x turned into something with tangent. So I still have tangent 2 tan squared x. I am now substituting tan squared x plus 1 in for secant squared x, and then bringing down everything else. Now I need to distribute that negative that's on that outside. So make sure that you distribute that negative to the tangent squared and to the 1, making it a negative 1. So I've got 2 tangent squared x minus tangent squared x minus 1 plus 3 equals 1 minus 2 tan x. Putting everything all on one side and simplifying, I have tangent squared x plus 2 equals 1 minus tan x. Now we'll move everything to the other side. So now I have tangent squared x plus 2 tan x plus 1. Now, we need to factor, but if you cannot see how to factor it, u substitution that was introduced last semester is going to be very helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and make u equivalent to tan x. So that leaves me with u squared plus 2u plus 1. And from there you can see that'll be a nice easy u plus 1 squared. Then I will substitute tan x back into it. So I have tan x plus 1 squared equals 0. That's the same thing as saying tan x plus 1 twice. So we're just going to look at having tangent x plus 1 equals 0. Then we'll subtract by 1, and we'll have tan x equals negative 1. And then locate on our unit circle where tangent is negative 1. Tangent is negative in the second and fourth quadrants. So that's 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. And since in that one rotation, that is my answer.